All right, new tool in the shop today. I'll be using this new spool gun from Arccaptain. I'll be using alongside this MiG 250, also from Arccaptain. Let's see how well it works. Alright, so if you need to weld aluminum and you only have a MIG welder, what you need is a spool gun. Now the spool gun will hold your aluminum spool right here on top of it and allow you to weld the aluminum without it breaking through the mechanism and going through the long channel of the hose to the regular MIG. Now this thing is powered inside the handle itself. It has its own trigger and the tensioner is built inside and easily accessible. Now we're going to get this unit hooked up to the machine and we're going to start welding. So hooking up the spool gun to this machine is plain and simple. Now on the other end of the spool gun, you have this European style hookup and the trigger sensor. This pushes right into this inlet, and then you thread the lock nut on there. Next up, you put in your trigger sensor right here. And lastly, we're going to change our welding gas over to 100% pure argon. Now we can switch the machine over to spool gun mode, so that's right there. With it in spool gun mode, you lose the ability to use the synchronized method. So I have it set to 15 volts and 325 inches per minute. So now for material, we'll be welding this 16 gauge aluminum. Alright, there's the first look at that weld. You can hear it struggled a little bit, indicating I should probably turn up the amperage some and then decrease a little bit of that feed. But overall, it welded that pretty well. So this spool gun through Arccaptain did a great job welding that 16 gauge aluminum. Unfortunately, I ran out of argon to continue welding and doing some thicker metals. Now, if you want to get yourself one of these, they're about $170. I'll leave a link in the description. You can get a 5% off discount code. Thanks for watching.